making cards for your friends or people like that? I'm definitely one of those people. And today I want to teach you how to make your own card. This card has a special feature though, and you need to watch till the end to see what that special feature is. Let's get started. These are the things you need to start with. A small piece of string, try to get that if you can. A scissor for cutting, of course. A pencil and an eraser. And find your own combo of papers. And you also need some tape. The first step for this card is pretty much the same. You take a paper, a construction paper, and fold it into half. Pretty simple, right? Next, you are going to take half and fold it like this. Next, I'm making a circle in the card. I'm using this tape for a circle shape. So if you want, you can take a circular thing and use that as your shape. Show you how this heart spins. You need to wind it up. Just keep winding, winding, and winding. And then, when you open this card, did you see that? That was so cool, right? I hope you like this card. And something I want to share with you. I made up a poem about my friend. This is basically, don't tell her, but it's going to be her birthday card. This is my poem about her. Happy birthday to you. I want to show how much I love you. I tried to express my feelings about you by using crayons, paper, and glue. I know I can count on you as a friend. Just think of the possibilities that will never end. I hope you like this card by me. And if you want to tell me something, feel free. By your sincere friend, Vidanshi. Now, I will leave this other part to you. You can make your own decorations. And this is a multi-purpose card for anything you need. You can make your own poem too, and include anything else you want in this card. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned. Bye!